Hello, this is an introduction video for application note 122. You will learn how to integrate a Ring doorbell with ARTIK Cloud. An Android phone and a Ring doorbell are required. Ring is a Wi-Fi video doorbell. It allows you to answer your door with your phone from anywhere. This application explains how to develop an Android application to receive video and notifications on the Ring device from ARTIK Cloud. We integrate a Ring device on ARTIK Cloud to receive notifications when someone is at the door. We listen to these notifications from an Android application and show the video to the user when someone is at the door. When you press the button on the Ring doorbell, the Android application will launch and show the video from the Ring doorbell. Using ARTIK Cloud, we can easily integrate the Ring doorbell into a larger IoT ecosystem. This application note and source code can be downloaded from artik.io. Happy coding!